Welcome back to my channel Ride with Sammy. Today's video is one of the most thrilling, colorful, and cinematic luxury bus journeys ever filmed across the breathtaking landscapes of Balochistan. In this stunning compilation, you will see 10 AC Luxury Yutong Master 2026 models, each painted in a completely different and vibrant color, moving like a rainbow convoy through mountains, highways, valleys, and city areas. From the moment the video begins, these powerful machines roll onto the road with confidence. Their engines rumble smoothly as they weave through the rugged mountain routes. Some buses appear in bright red, some in deep blue, others in metallic silver, golden yellow, emerald green, white, black, orange, and sky blue, each one adding its own beauty to the journey. As the scenes shift, the buses race forward with controlled speed. You'll see moments where they drive front to back, overtaking each other with precision, gliding through curves, crossing oncoming traffic with perfect timing, and maintaining absolute control even on steep climbs and sharp downhill slopes. The drivers showcase remarkable skill, handling every twist and turn with calm confidence, even when the terrain becomes narrow or unpredictable. Some shots capture the buses from high angles, giving a dramatic view of long, winding roads stretching between mountain walls. Other scenes show close-up wheels spinning on fast stretches, engines roaring, and sunlight reflecting off the colorful bodies of the buses. The thrill increases as they enter tighter roads, where every overtake and crossing becomes a display of masterful driving. Throughout the video, you'll also witness wide desert views, rocky cliffs, sudden bends, open plains, and city landscapes, each location revealing a different side of Balochistan's natural beauty. The combination of speed, scenery, color, and motion creates an experience that feels adventurous, powerful, and beautifully cinematic. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And for more luxury, thrilling, and dangerous bus ride videos, don't forget to visit our channel Ride with Sammy. Thank you for watching.